Assalamu alaikum. Here is the flying Dutchman. But it's broken. And I'm looking for Captain Jack Sparrow, but I don't see him. Maybe he's under the ocean. Looking for my mate. The lady one, I think so. So I'm now in Cape Town. It's a Cape لاجولهاس, where Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean meet. It's in Cape Town, South Africa. You must come and visit here. This is the best place in Cape Town, but you can't shower here. You see the rocks, you can't go there. You just can see, feel the ocean and smell it. You can see Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. Here, you just hear two color water. Here, Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean meet. It's Cape لاجولهاس. I like the rocks, actually. With ocean, it's look beautiful. You must come and visit. Thank you. Have a good day.